for this car to go by. But if you haven't already, click up here. That's the previous car that I did. I did say CLK soft top that we did a deep clean on. So if you want to see soft tops being done, click up there. If not, please subscribe and like this video. It would be really appreciated. It does help my business a lot. Anyway, we're back with this beautiful Range Rover. What am I saying? Range Rover, Land Rover Defender. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. All right, Defender V8, beautiful piece of kit. So that's got I think it's a 4 litre Range Rover SVR engine. I think so. I believe so. What we want to do is unlock it. Lovely inside. Always recommend rubber mats. I recommended them to my client, bought them. They're beautiful. Rubber mats is the way forward. I've got one little hiccup with this car. Is I was supposed to contact my client within 3 weeks of my last valet. I forgot to do that. Well, I thought he was going to contact me, because usually I do either 2 weeks or 4 week rotations, or every week rotations. I don't do 3 weeks. So I just assumed that he was meant to contact me. So usually it actually is this bad, but it's not meant to be this bad, because this has been 4 weeks now. It's meant to be here in 3 weeks. That makes sense. Third. This car is completely PPF'd. The whole thing is PPF'd. Every single inch of it is PPF'd. Only area that's not PPF'd is it this bit? No, I think this bit is PPF'd as well. Is it? No, this bit is not PPF'd. The outer area, this bit, and also behind the handles, which is kind of weird. On top of the handle is PPF'd. The face of the handle is PPF'd, and the inside isn't, which is really annoying. But the rest is all PPF'd. This is PPF'd, and this is the original color of the car, the metallic grey, gunmetal grey, whatever it's called. But it's been PPF'd in satin, so it gives this beautiful satin finish. And yeah, PPF, just PPF all day. Beautiful piece of kit. Let's do some videos and get to it. While I'm doing this, I want to talk to you guys about something. I have realised, because I work by myself and I don't really have anyone to work with me, and I do like to have conversations. Sorry, video just cut off there for a second. I've realised I talk too much. So I say to my clients, just tell me to shut up at any point. If you want to go back inside, if you're cold or anything like that. And obviously, I believe that makes the energy I get back it's a positive energy, you know. It shows that, you know, I'm not uptight. It's quite important, because if you're going to entrust me with your vehicle, you want to entrust it with someone that's sort of similar to you, and nobody considers themselves uptight, right? Even if they are, they wouldn't want to say that anyway. So yeah, it's nice. It's a nice feeling when the client giggles and realizes, oh, thank God I'm entrusting my vehicle, probably the most expensive thing I have other than my house, to someone that's just, just like me. And that's always nice. A couple of guys just went by. You can see them through the screen. They're ticket guys. I was like, brother, do I need a ticket? No, I never get tickets unless, well, I actually never say never, because I actually got one a while back. Not the summer that I just went, the summer before that. And it was stupid. And it's still up in dispute, can you believe it? It's been over 2 years. And the guy said I shouldn't be parked there, blah, blah. I never ever get issues because I'm working on my van. I'm working with my van's open, and I'm working on, people that live on this road, cars, so they've got their permits, right? Anyway, long story short, never have any issues ever. Apart from one time, this guy, I think he was maybe new to his job, so he was giving me a lot of aggro. It was really annoying. And then obviously the ticket situation, which was another time. And but I always like to make sure that I'm good, because I think it's a courtesy thing. You should never assume. And making assumptions, and I don't like that when people make assumptions about me, so I wouldn't make assumptions about someone else's job. So I always make sure that I don't have any issues, and it always shows respect, so it's always nice. So using my big boy, and I'm using my left hand there. But yeah, I've done that side. I'm just gonna do this side now. Alright, we are all done. Let's have a quick look around. So, first things first, exterior came out beautifully. Big boy did the job, dried everything up. Very, very nice. Took the mats out, got them cleaned. Interior is a very new car, so a couple of months old. So we don't need to do too much with the plastics other than wipe them down, degrease them, get a degrease and wipe solution and a sanitizer solution. We don't need to dress them, nothing like that, because the plastics are not faded, the leather's not faded, and most of it is actually metal. Well, not most of it, some of it is metal, so you can't really do much other than just to wipe it as if it was glass. Mat came out, sanitized the interior. At some point we're going to do some work on this steering wheel, because it doesn't really have the capabilities of what it should have, and it's only a couple of months old, like I said, so it should be a lot more loose. Then it should be like that, but obviously this is where you hold it most, so it's a little bit gunked up. We're going to have a tinkle with that at some point. And yeah, pretty straightforward. Came out very, very nice. What else? The wheels. So the wheels wasn't too shabby. It is a off-roader. I think it does get taken to the countryside at some point. So the inner wheel walls, whatever you want to call them, was quite gunked up with mud, but nothing we can't handle. And yeah, just a beautiful piece of kit, all done, and we're on our way now. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Sorry, I just started it a little bit. Please subscribe, please like, and please comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you guys want to see. I got told they wanted to see some SUVs, so here we go. Here's an SUV for you guys. This is the end product. Hope you guys like it, man. I did really spend some time on this car, and I genuinely enjoyed it.
yeah, thank you so much. These videos and stuff, it couldn't be possible without, subscriptions, likes, comments, all of that good stuff. And it's nice to know that people are watching my stuff. And yeah, thanks guys.